Okay, graph inequalities. Vertex form of an equation. Y equals a parentheses x minus h parentheses squared plus k. Equation of a vertex. Negative b over 2a. To find the parabola is find the vertex, use the rule of a quadratic parabola to graph. Regularly it is over 1, up 1, over 2, up 4. Remember dilations. Vertex is negative h, comma, k. Rules. If the underlined part is there, this part means a solid parabola line. If there is not an underlined part, then it means dotted parabola line. Greater than, when y is greater than, it means, stop. What'd you do?
Go.
Alright. For this problem, y is greater than x squared plus 2x plus 1. So look at the graph. It's a dotted line and shaded up. Alright, so in this one, y is greater than or equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. It is a straight line shaded up. In this equation, y is less than or equal to x squared plus 2x plus 1. In this equation, the line is solid and shaded down. Y is less than x squared plus 2x plus 1. In this case, there is a dotted line and it is shaded down.
Another way to graph inequalities is using standard form. Standard form is ax squared plus bx plus c. The first step is to find the axis of symmetry using negative b over 2a. In this example, negative b over 2a equals 2. The second step is to find your vertex. To do this, you plug in your axis of symmetry as x into your equation. Using the same example, 2 is plugged into the equation and comes out as 6, which means your point is 2, 6. Your third step is to plot your vertex, and your fourth step is to find the other points. You have two options for this. You can either use the rule that says that you go over 1 and up 1 and over 2 up 4 to find another point, and then use symmetry on the other side. The only problem with this is if you have dilations, it can change the rule. The other option is to plug in other x values to your equation. You find two other x values and then you also use symmetry to find the values on the other side. Your fifth step is to draw the line connecting your points. If it's a regular sign, either greater than or less than, it'll be a dotted line. If it's greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, it'll be a solid line. And the last step is to shade your graph. If it's less than or less than equal to, you shade below the parabola. If it's greater than or equal to, you shade above the parabola. Here's some examples of the drawing.